Can you see the beauty of nature?
Yes, Priyanshi, the rising sun, the seeds turning into seedlings, and the flowers blooming.
It's so miraculous, adventurous, and fascinating, turning our curiosity into reality through the experiments, facts, and the discovery of the unknown world.
Yes, dear, let's move on to the wonderful world of science. Let's explore and watch the world of science through science exhibition performed by the most talented and unique students of classes 4 to 8.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, wonderful teachers, and all my loving friends.
Welcome you all to the miraculous world of science,
Which can be simply defined as when it moves, it's biology, when it stinks, it's chemistry, and when it doesn't work, it's physics.
Let's enjoy together the world of science.
Let's discover, let's explore your creation and so much more. It's exciting, can't wait to see what you have in store. Surrounded by waves of your mystery, Lord, show me what you want me to be. Let's go deep, 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 deep as the ocean blue. Deep, 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 deep in my faith with you. Deep, 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 deep in my heart I see your love is endlessly deeper than the sea. Let's dive deep in our faith. Let's dive deep in our walk. Let's dive deep in our trust. Let's dive deep in our talk. Let's dive deep in your word. Let's dive deep in your ways. Let's dive deep in your love. Let's dive deep every day. Let's go deep, 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 deep as the ocean blue. Deep, 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 deep in my faith with you. Deep, 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 deep in my heart I see your love is endlessly deeper than the sea. Let's go deep.
Good morning, ma'am, and my all dear friends. As we know that today is science exhibition, so I had made a model of coronavirus for it. So today I am going to discuss about coronavirus and some of the precautions we need to take to prevent it. Coronavirus, a deadly disease, had came from China in the end of 2019, and that's why also it is known as COVID-19. The main part of our body it damages is our lungs and it causes breathing problems, and due to this millions and millions of people are dying. It mainly causes to old age people and small children as they have weaker immunity than adults. Animals like rhinoceros are extinct in 2021 due to this virus. Now I am going to discuss about some of the precautions we need to take to prevent coronavirus. Scientists have made the vaccine, but still we need to take precautions before and after taking the vaccines too. We need to maintain social distancing when we are in public places. When we are in public places, we don't need to touch our mask, eyes, nose, ears, as the germs in our hands and the germs in the air can enter through with these parts of bodies. When we return home, we need to sanitize our hands and then wash our hands, face and the open parts of our bodies. Then we have to sanitize our clothes as clothes are also having germs in them. So this was the presentation. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. Today my topic for virtual science exhibition is
simple machines of wheel and axle. Here I have made a working model for wheel and axle. This is a windmill, and the blades of the fan of the windmill works as a wheel. The rod passing from the between is known as the axle, which supports the wheel to move. When the wind comes, the windmill's blades move and produces electricity. And this energy is known as wind energy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all my dear friends and teachers. Today I am explaining you my model smoke absorber. Material required to making this model: some pieces of pipes, 2 switches, 1 half cutted bottle, 2 batteries, 2 motors and some cardboard. I explain this model how it works. Suppose here is smoke and the working model is absorb the smoke and pass out here. Sometimes we are cooking vegetables in the kitchen, and because of making vegetable, some smoke rises up. This model comes in handy.
Welcome to all of you. My model is a working solar system. See. The inner solar system contains the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The planets of the outer solar system are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The Sun contains around 98% of all the materials in the solar system. Because the Sun is so large, its powerful gravity acts all the other objects in the solar system towards it. See.
Hello friends and my teachers. The topic is phases of moon. So, as you know that the sun is responsible for the phases of moon. We can see the one phase of moon at a time on the earth. So, this is the new moon. This is the waxing crescent. This is the first quarter, also called the half moon. This is waxing gibbous. This is full moon. This is waning gibbous, the opposite of waxing gibbous. This is last quarter, again the semicircular moon. This is waning crescent, the opposite of the waxing crescent, and again the new moon. So this cycle will go on. Thank you.
Inventors and inventions have changed the lives of all. Inventors and inventions, let's celebrate them one and all. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, invented a plane to fly. Edison invented the phonograph, but his light bulb raised most high. He also invented the projector, so movies we can see. Benz invented the automobile.
Do you know who it was who invented TV?
Yes, Baird was the man who invented TV. Baird was the man who invented TV. Inventors and inventions have changed the lives of all. Inventors and inventions, let's celebrate them one and all. Fulton invented the steamboat, and Ford the assembly line for cars. Deere invented the steel plow blade, and Hershey invented Hershey bars. Franklin discovered electricity, Bell made the telephone. Ferris invented
Good morning to all. I have made a project which shows how India is going towards sustainable future.
I have divided my project into two parts. First part is showing the condition of the roads that are in present condition, and the second part of my project is showing the condition of the roads that we are going to achieve in future. So let's start. Here are the roads which are having potholes and crowding stray animals between the roads. This causes the highly fuel consumption here. Because of the roads, there are happening less accidents, decrease of health issues, decrease of fuel consumption.
Hello, today I am presenting a model of a solar panel. This is solar panel. It takes energy from the sun and converted into electric energy. That electric energy we can store in a battery. Through battery we can use electric energy in a various types. Like we can run water pump, which is helpful in getting our field. We can also switch on the street lights. So guys, as we know, solar energy is pure types of energy. It cannot pollute our atmosphere. So in the end, use solar energy. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, warm greetings to you. So I have made a model on wheel and axle pulley. A wheel and axle pulley is a type of simple machine that make tasks easier in terms of manipulating force by applying the concept of mechanical advantage. So here is my working model. Thank you.
This is my project, hydraulic robotic arm. Let's see how it works. From this series, arm move right and left. From this series, small arm move up and down. From this series, move big arm. From this and last series, close and open hand to hold object. Thank you.
Marble is a metamorphic rock. The famous monument of Taj Mahal in Agra is made up of white marble.
Good morning everyone. Today, me and my fellow friend Rena Vatnani has prepared a model on how do animals camouflage. Now you all must be wondering that what is camouflage? Camouflage is the way in which some animals are colored and shaped so that they cannot be easily seen in their natural surroundings. The examples are ladybug, polar bear, stick insects, chameleon, etc. These animals camouflage themselves like their catcher thought that they are dead, but they are still alive. Now we have made one example of a ladybug. This is a ladybug. It pretends to be dead and releases a small amount of blood from its legs that confuses the prey, that confuses the catcher that it is dead or alive, but it is still alive. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Today I have made a model of polar bear on its habitat. I am showing a family of polar bear. There are 3 members in her family: mother polar bear, baby polar bear and father polar bear. Thank you.
Good morning one and all. This is my project for the science exhibition. My topic is parts of an eye. As you know, eye is one of the important sense organ in our body which give us sense of vision. Today I am going to explain the parts of an eye. First I will take cornea. Cornea, the circular and transparent part in front of the eye is called cornea. Next I will take iris. Iris, this rounded and colored part is the iris. Then I will take pupil. The iris has an opening in center which is called pupil. Then I will take retina. At the back, the image is formed on retina. Next, the optic nerve. Optic nerve connects the eye to the brain. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Food pyramid for the science exhibition. Food pyramid is the best way to understand the suitable amount of food to be eaten on the daily basis. Here, different partitions show different food groups. They are in order of high nutrient value at the bottom and low at the top. First, bread, rice, cereal and pasta should be given 6 to 11 servings. Second, fruits and vegetables should be given 3 to 5 servings. Third, dairy products and protein should be given 3 to 4 servings. Fourth, oil, fats, sugar should be given occasionally. At last, very important point. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day to keep us hydrated. Thank you. That's all about food pyramid.
Good morning. Today I'm gonna recite a poem on science. Everything works because of science. Even your old kitchen appliance. What about your mom's car? Without science it won't go so far. With the help of science we can make a computer, a phone. If you want it win, just ask for a clone.
Science will explain nature and trees. It is also used to find cures for disease. Science is cool. The evidence is clear. It's so much fun. Enjoy it, my dear.
Hello everyone, and as you can see, I am here to represent my model and my topic is fire extinguisher. So a fire extinguisher is an active fire protection device that can be used to extinguish or control small fires, often in emergency cases. Typically, a fire extinguisher consists of a handheld cylindrical pressure vessel containing an agent that can be discharged to extinguish a fire. Thank you, and special thanks to Shani ma'am for guiding me.
My name is Krishna. I am studying in class 7th. This is a model of digestive system of dog. It includes mouth, teeth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and anus. The function of digestive system, it absorbs and digests food. It eliminates solid waste from the body. Dog have large canine teeth to bite, grip, and adult dog have 42 teeth. Esophagus help to push food down into the stomach. In small intestine, dog's body absorbs all the nutrients from the food. Anus eliminate waste from the body. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about my project, the earthquake detector, which can help us detect earthquake even before it can cause massive destruction. So, first I am going to tell you about the principle this project uses. This project uses the principle of open and closed circuit, which means that closed circuit let current flow easily and open circuit does not let current flow. Components required for this project are battery, switch, copper wire, metal rod, buzzer and a model of house. Positive terminal of the battery is connected to the copper wire with some weight, and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the metal rod and copper wire with buzzer. When it is in static motion, the copper wire and the metal rod does not touch each other, so it is an open circuit. When the earth shakes, the metal rod and the copper wire touches each other, so it is a closed circuit, and the buzzer gives off a beeping sound. Like this, we can detect the earthquake. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is my water dispenser sanitizer. In this model, the materials required are plastic cardboard, mini switch, a bowl, a transparent pipe, IR sensor, LED light and a USB cable and so on. It is very useful, hence we can use it without touching it. And in this pandemic situation, we can use it in our homes, offices, schools, etc. Now I will show you how to use it. Thank you.
Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. We need evidence to help us support our ideas. The more evidence we have, the stronger our idea is. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Today with my science project on the topic acid-base reaction, in which I have made acid rain. So let's start the explanation. Sulfur dioxide is released from the factories and nitrogen oxide is released from cars and other vehicles. These particles along with other pollutants mix with air and water and fall on the ground. This causes harmful effects on the land. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am doing a model of electroscope. Material required: copper plate, uh, wire, copper wire, tube, or a jar of glass. Fix it all by step. The electroscope is an electric scientific instrument used to detect the process of electric charge on a body. Take a scale and rub to the hair and put to the plate. It will move. Thank you.
I have made a air cooler from bottle, motor, switch and 9-volt battery and connector. So let's see it. So friends, this is our air cooler and I have take the material to make it is this switch, one motor, one 9-volt battery and one connector and one bottle and one fan inside this bottle. So friends, this is our portable air cooler and this gives very cold air and this is the best option for summer season. And now we will put some ice cubes in it and see how it gives cool air. So friends, this is our ice cubes and now we will keep it in this cooler. So friends, this is the switch and now we will on it from here. Wow, it gives very cold air. This is the best option for summer season. So friends, we will see how much air comes from this portable air cooler. Now we will on this switch and see it. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. It is my project on rainwater harvesting. The rain is going on and collecting into the collecting tank and going into the filtration tank for filtering the water and stored into the well and going for irrigation. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate my model of water dispenser. This is made up of cardboard and inside it there is a bottle and the water gets dispensed by the pipe as you can see here, and it has no motor and no battery required to work. It's work only with the pressure of air. To make it work, you have to just turn the cap of the bottle, and after doing this the water will start flowing, as you can see. And it's work with the pressure of the air, and the water is flowing, as you can see. And if you want to close it, so you have to just seal the cap of the bottle. And this is how this works with air pressure.
Respected Principal Ma'am and teachers, I, Sovnit Miss of Class 60, is going to present a model on food operator hand sanitizer. Therefore, I have tried to make a cheaper food hand sanitizer with the help of syringe, thin pipe and a bottle. It works on the principle of air pressure. When someone keeps the foot on the top of the syringe, air passes through the pipe and the other side forces the air, pushes the fluid on the hand. It happens motion of the fluid goes bottom to top from due to air pressure present in the pipe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritvika Sahukar. I am studying in class 8I. Today's my topic is microorganisms. Microbes are of 5 types: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa and virus. Study of bacteria is known as bacteriology, fungi, mycology, algae, phycology, protozoa, protozoology and virus, virology. Bacteria are prokaryotic, unicellular and heterotrophic. Fungi are eukaryotic, unimulticellular and saprophytic. Algae are eukaryotic, unimulticellular and autotrophic. Protozoa are eukaryotic, unicellular and autoheterotrophic, while viruses are primitive, obligate parasite linkage between non-living and living. Microscope is used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye.
Science is simply the word we use to describe a method of organizing our curiosity. Hello, my name is Soumya and today I will tell you about some facts that have generated out of curiosity. There is enough DNA in the average person's body to stretch from the sun to the Pluto back 17 times.
Myself, Bhumi Chahan of class 8I takes the opportunity to continue exploring the world of science with the real amazing facts. In an entire life, an average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the world.
It takes a photon 40,000 years to reach from the core of the sun to the surface of the sun, but it only takes 8 minutes to reach the rest of the way to Earth.
Killer whales are actually dolphins. Grasshoppers have ears in their bellies.
The human body contains 10 times more bacterial cells than the human cells.
At over 2,000 kilometers long, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth. There are 8 times as many atoms in a teaspoonful of water as there are teaspoonfuls of water in the Atlantic Ocean. You can't taste food without saliva.
Ready for the song in 1 or 2 or 3. Then sit properly. Science is ready. Lessons are all new. All you have to do, listen to your teacher to learn something new. Hey, science time, science time. Oh, it's science time. Be ready, it's more fun, more activities. Hey, science time, science time. Oh, it's science time. I like it, I love it, I love my teacher too. Ready for the song in 1 or 2 or 3. Then sit properly. Science is ready. Lessons are all new. All you have to do, listen to your teacher to learn something new. Hey, science time, science time. Oh, it's science time. Be ready, it's more fun, more activities. Hey, science time, science time. Oh, it's science time. I like it, I love it, I love my teacher too.
We are thankful to respected Principal Ma'am and Head Mistress Ma'am for giving us golden opportunity
to present the unique virtual science exhibition.
We also thank our teacher who have guided us to make these wonderful charts and models.
Lastly, we thank you, our dear friends. Without your sincere efforts, this virtual science exhibition would not have been possible. Thank you.